Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss control validation using the notify function to display message in Power App Canvas app. So the notify function is used to show notifications or message to the user inside the app. It helps user understand what is happening in the app like showing information, warning or error. So this is our blank canvas app. First, insert a button. So select this button and change the text as notify. Then go to the Onselect property, remove the existing one and add the following formula. Here notify is the function used to display a message. Welcome button clicked successfully is the message that will appear on the screen. Notification type dot information, so it is an informational message. And 2000 means the message will stay for 2 seconds. Now preview the app. When I click on the button, you can see the notification message appear for 2 seconds. Now go back to the editor and select the button and then go to the Onselect property. The first notification type is information. It is used to show normal information to the user. Now I remove this one and write the formula like this. If we do not provide the duration, message will stay on the screen until the user click the cross icon. Now preview the app. So when I click on this button, you can see the message stay here until I close it. Now let's see another notification type which is error. So again select this button and then go to the Onselect property, remove this one and add this one. Notification type dot error is used to show error message when something fails or does not work correctly. Now preview the app. So again when I click on this button, you can see the error notification appear on the screen. Now let's see how we can display a warning message. So again click on this button, then go to the Onselect property and remove the existing one. So for that we can update the formula like this. Notification type dot warning is used to alert the user about something that may need attention. Now again preview the app. So again click on this button. You can see the warning notification display on the screen for 3 seconds. So in this video, we covered control validation using the notify function to display message in Power App Canvas app. Thanks for watching.